So it's time for a meatless Monday meal, and this is quinoa and beans and tomatoes. Black beans, quinoa, and tomatoes. And we're going to cook it on biogas. So normally what I have to do, looking at the biodigesters over here, and all the fire comes, of course, from food waste. Yay, that's how you get your clean fire. But I want to make sure that my valve here is open, and then I have to plug in the pump. I should put a switch on it, and then the pump is running. It's just an inline aquarium pump. There's a sulfur filter there. It just has some iron pellets in it, and then it goes to the stove, and I grab my lighter and ooh, nice. Oops. Oh, I know what happened. I didn't plug this in tight enough. There we go. Let's do that again. Retake. Take two. Woo! Good fun. All right, so let's bring that flame down a little bit. And let's put the beans on. And we make the meal cooked on beautiful, clean biogas. Tradition now for 12 years. This is what I've been doing in Germany, in Cairo, Egypt, in Brazil, in Baghdad, in Florida, New York, Pennsylvania, all over the world, really, in Portugal, in the Philippines, in Mexico. It's the flame that never quits, as long as you got food waste. So from food waste to healthy food on a meatless Monday. Paul McCartney would be proud. Paul, if you're watching, Sir Paul, we love supporting your Meatless Monday campaign, and we would hope that you would support the Food Waste to Fuel and Fertilizer campaign to go along with Meatless Mondays, and then we can make this world good for wildlife. Whatever happened to wildlife? The animals in the zoo. Okay, bye-bye.